Welcome all. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss various data transfer operation from one register to another register. With the help of small source code, I will explain complete mechanism of this operation. So first I will create a file. Now initial syntax dot text section. Now main routine is started and data transfer from register to register. So first we will move some immediate value into AX register. The value contain 44. Now we will move value in CL. What value comes inside AL? We will move value in CH. What the value is present in AH. In the third step, we are moving the value in CX, whatever the value is present in AX register. After this, we will call exit routine. For exit routine, the code is move AX, 1, then interrupt. Now save the source code. Instead of closing it, minimize it. Open a new tab for compilation. So for compiling, NASM -f ELF 32. After ELF 32, you need to write output file name is move1.o. Input file name is move1.asm. Now linking ld hyphen output file name is move1. Input file name is move1.o. Now load the program in GDB. The first step, set disassembly flavor enter. Second step, impose the breakpoint at start, then display the value of EAX register. First perform run, then display value of EAX register, display the value of CL, CH and CX register. Now next I. So initial values in AX register is this value is present. In CL register we are putting the value of AL containing 44. In CH register we are putting the value of AH containing 33. In CX we are putting the value of AX contain 33, 44. So we will see next I. initial value of EAX this. Now in the second step, what we are going to do, put the value of AL into CL. So whenever I will write next I, so the value of AL is 44, get transferred into the CL register. Now after this we are putting the value of AH into CH. The value of AH is 33. So when I will execute next I, so you can check it out, and CX again next I, CX already, CX is a combination of CL and CH, so it containing 33 and 44. So this particular program demonstrate the operations of data transfer from one register to another register. If you face any kind of problem at any point, you can put into the comment section. Thanks for the watching.